Hi everybody, it's Tim at Engine Factory. I just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1965 Cobra Replica. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. Started with the we got a 302 Ford roller lifter camshaft, brand new timing cover, double roller timing chain, brand new balancer, high flow fuel pump, Russell fuel lines, all the loop clamps going up, inline gas filter, oil pressure extension installed for easy oil pressure switch hookup, brass freeze plugs, engine block painted to black, proper rear sump oil pan for the 65 Cobra, oil stick and tube, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. You have the distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. Every engine at the Engine Factory is live run and tested, all dialed in for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot, timing will be set, idle mixture screws fully adjusted, dialed in, ready to go. Manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy manifold vacuum hookups if needed. You have the bell housing on here. Ram clutch fully aligned, all set up. Clutch fork, throwout bearing, ready to go for the customer's T5Z transmission, all set. High torque mini starter, PCV ventilation line on there, heavy duty Russell line, electric choke wire. Customer is getting the alternator only high mount for the Cobra. That's coming in the next 2 days here. I'll install that. So there you have it again, our 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine for the customer's 1965 Cobra Replica. Ready to go. Thanks for watching.